Hey FitFixen family, big shout out and thank you for helping us hit 5,000 subscribers. We posted a poll asking what you want next, and the winner was clear. 4 exercises that rebuild muscle after 50. So this one's for you. Let's dive into it. First, the truth. After age 50, we naturally lose muscle mass about 1 to 2% every year. But here's the good news. Science confirms that with the right movements, done consistently, we can rebuild muscle, boost testosterone, improve posture, and move like we're 30 again. So grab a chair, some floor space, and let's get to the 4 essential moves every man over 50 should be doing daily. Number 1, body weight squats. Squats are your foundation. They activate the biggest muscles in your body, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. This doesn't just build strength, it triggers testosterone, improves metabolism, and increases bone density. And the National Institute on Aging confirms that leg strength is directly linked to longevity. How to do it? Stand shoulder-width apart, lower down slowly as if sitting in a chair, knees behind toes, chest up, back flat. Then push through your heels to rise back up. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Use a chair or wall for support if needed. Progress at your own pace. Number 2, incline push-ups. Push-ups are the perfect body weight resistance builder for your chest, arms, and core. But full push-ups can be tough after 50, so we start with incline push-ups. Use a sturdy surface like a countertop or wall. Keep your core tight, elbows close, and lower your chest slowly. Exhale as you push back up. Incline push-ups reduce strain on your joints while giving maximum benefit to your upper body. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps daily. This one move improves posture, heart health, and testosterone levels. Number 3, glute bridges. If you sit a lot, this move is non-negotiable. Weak glutes can lead to back pain, poor balance, and stiffness. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet shoulder-width apart. Now, squeeze your glutes and lift your hips off the ground. Hold at the top for 3 seconds, then lower slowly. This strengthens your hips, hamstrings, and lower back, essential for walking, climbing stairs, and avoiding falls. 2 sets of 15 reps daily. And number 4, planks. Don't underestimate this one. The plank is your full core, full body stabilizer. Set up on your forearms and toes, elbows under shoulders. Engage your abs, squeeze your glutes, and keep your body in a straight line. Start with 20 seconds and build up to a minute over time. Planks train your abs, lower back, shoulders, and even your focus and breathing. And here's the secret. These 4 moves are functional. They mirror how we sit, stand, walk, lift, and move through real life. They activate the biggest muscle groups and fight off age-related decline without requiring a gym. Add these to your morning or evening routine, just 15 minutes a day. You'll move easier, feel stronger, and rebuild confidence in your body. Comment FIT and let me know which one you're starting with today. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe and hit the bell. We're just getting started on your FitFixen comeback. Watch next, reverse sitting damage with these 4 daily moves. It's the perfect follow-up to rebuild your posture and protect your back. See you there, champ.